Good morning, my name is Simeonhendrix, and today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to dismantle a wood pallet in under 30 seconds. Now, this is a very intense workout. This is a very intense tutorial. So I must stress to you the importance. Wear your safety goggles, wear your gloves, consult with your doctor before you try this activity because it's very manual labor intensive. Make sure you have a very strong sledgehammer and a few pallets. Be smart, don't hurt yourself. Let's have some fun. So we have our wood pallet right here. What I'm going to be doing is destroying the 2x4s we are going to leave and be able to use our slats, okay? Again, the 2x4s will be destroyed, the slats are going to be good to go. So here we are. You guys get ready. First thing I'm going to do is spin this around. Get it set into place. Here we go. Start the clock. Time.
You didn't do it in 30 seconds, Simeon. And you broke a few slats.
You just got to give the best you can. That's the bottom line. You saw the technique. Take it home. Post a video. Show me what you can do. My name is Simeonhendrix, and I do the best I can every day.